Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of It's About Time, where I've been periodically cleaning out my closet and sharing what I've been pulling out with you guys in the interest of quitting with this crazy hoarding. I got some Jada here, some Hot Wheels, some Greenlight. Let's get into it. Alright, I got a bunch more stuff. This is kind of a JDM cracking party, so to speak. Got a bunch of the Jada JDM tuners here. Both of the first two sets of 5, or 6, I'm sorry. Got some Hot Wheels over here that I wanted to bust out just because they're taking up space and it's pop culture, and I don't collect pop culture really, so I kind of want them just to lose to less space, and they're cool anyways. And I got some Greenlight over here. They all have these really crazy blisters, so I'm going to jump off camera real quick here, get them all sliced open, and then we'll go through them. Alright, I got everything cut open, and I'll show you what started this whole thing. Yeah, it's hard to see, but the spoiler in the back has popped off, and it looks like the two little tabs that are on there that go back in are in good enough shape to go right back on. I might have to put like a drop of glue, whatever. But wanted to get this open because I was tired of looking at that broken spoiler. Little dude. Spoiler came off completely. This is gonna be hard to show. It deteriorated. Looks like we're gonna have a 2015 Nissan GTR without its spoiler. Damn shame. Keeping with the Greenlight, the Tokyo Torque 2014 Nissan GTR R35 in white. Tokyo Torque again, 2001 Nissan Skyline GTR R34 M-Spec. One of the few non-JDMs of the bunch. Hot Pursuit from Greenlight, 1991 Ford Mustang SSP, Kentucky State Police. Alright, we're jumping over into Hot Wheels now. Got a twofer here. Rolling Thunder. One from the Peanuts gang and one from Star Wars. And then Star Wars, Rolling Thunder. And last from Star Wars, and I'm not even sure why I picked this one up, the 1964 GMC panel. Alright, Jada JDM tuners. Let's do it. 2 different sets here. 2 different sets of 6, that is. Here's the first one. Pause that if you want to read it. Starting off with the 2009 Nissan GTR R35 Ben Sopra. Next up, the 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 7. Next up, the 1995 Toyota Supra. Then the 2002 Honda NSX Type R Japan Spec Wide Body, John Sabal. And the 2009 Nissan GT-R R35. Now here's the bummer in my opinion, if you ask me. The Toyota FT1 concept, really don't care for the shape of this one at all. But you know how it goes, it completes the set, right? This is the next series of 6, 2009 Nissan GT-R R35, Ben Sopra. In blue this time. Here's the Toyota FT1 concept in yellow this time. $1995 Toyota Supra in red. Then the 2002 Honda NSX Type R Japan Spec Wide Body, John Sabal, this time in silver. Then the 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. And then last but not least, the 2009 Nissan GT-R R35. Alright, before I wrap it up here, check out what I just noticed on the Ben Sopra here. Looks like something red and silver dripped. And it caught the edge here, just rolled down. And it definitely, whatever it was, screwed up the black paint underneath it too, so... might be making a custom out of one of these. It's a good thing I have a few of them. Alright, well that's it. That is my closet cleanup for this episode. It's a lot of stuff. Is it a lot of stuff? Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. It's also a lot of big stuff. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.